Hey, you two, welcome back. So today I'm pretty excited and stoked to unbox this. This is the new and latest Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G. So this one is the phantom black color. They have many of different varieties of colors for you guys to choose from. But I was kind of mad and because I lucked out on one of the 45 watts adapter. Somehow they were sold out, and I've experienced many problems almost the whole day trying to pre-order this. So anyway, finally it is here, and I'm so happy. It was supposed to be here on the 22nd, but unfortunately I missed it because this one requires a signature. Anyway, I just got it, so let's go ahead and open this up and show you guys the phone. So here's my invoice. A special gift just for you. Get up to 30% off your Galaxy ecosystem. Redeem your exclusive offer. So here's the promo code. So here's the item and then description. I got a Samsung S22 Ultra S-View flip cover, black color. That's part of promotion for free. And then Galaxy Buds Pro Phantom Silver. That is a free item as well. And then Galaxy S22 Ultra. This one is the 512GB unlocked version. So yeah, with the Galaxy Buds Pro, I'll probably sell this. So I'm gonna keep it sealed. Well, maybe I'll just unbox it anyway. So this one has two-way speakers for rich sound, active noise cancellation. It lasts up to 5 to 18 hours of playtime, and this one's the IPX7. It's a Bluetooth with the AKG. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna unbox it for you guys to check it out. Wow, look at the silver. Has like a rainbow effect on it. Here's your USB Type-C charging port right there. Wow, look at that. It's a chrome finish. And you see the red LED indicator right there. So this is probably the extra earbuds or the plug with a different size, and then a charging cable. Yep, inside there's a bunch of different size the rubber tip. And this one, it is made in Vietnam. And this is the S View flip cover. So original Samsung. Alright, I'm gonna open from the bottom since the bottom only has one tape. Oh, this is just a frosted paper. Wow, nice case. Got the Samsung logo right here, and all your camera cut out. Your microphone on the top. Alright, so let's go and then check out this Samsung S22 Ultra 5G. So let's go ahead and open the tape up. This is your front camera right there. Microphone on the top. Wow, look at the camera setup on this thing. So on the bottom is your SIM card tray, your USB Type-C, your speaker, and then your stylus. well, pretty thin. Go and see what else come with it. Oh my god, that's it. You got the SIM card eject tool right here. And the only thing I hate is the Samsung that copy Apple for not including the brick. And this one is the USB Type-C to USB Type-C data cable or charging cable. And that's it. Let's go ahead and test this case out. So yeah, too bad this one is not magnetized, so it doesn't close. It will open by itself, so that's the only thing I don't like. So yeah, I will need to copy everything. So I'm not sure if I want to transfer everything from my Note 20 Ultra 5G to this one. So yeah, anyway, I need to set this up. This is just an unboxing video. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. And please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.